All right, on the ground, the transmission seems to work. Looking down or looking up. But let's see how it goes when it takes off. Again, frozen. There, it's live video. Live video. Frozen video. Still frozen. Still frozen. Still frozen. Still frozen. Still frozen. Still frozen video transmission. Still frozen. And it's still frozen. The video is still frozen. It's pretty disappointing. The flight controls are not frozen at all. It's just this video transmission. And it'll come all the way down and land. All right. Here's the drone landing. And as soon as I land, the video transmission comes across again. Not sure why this is.